Arjan, and today we will be talking about colonial mentality. Colonial mentality is one of the problems faced by the Philippines. It is the feeling of inferiority within the society that has been subjected to colonialism of foreign power.
What is colonial mentality?
Sa WBC.
Uy, selfie tayo!
Never left.
Uy, selfie tayo!
Uy, Sally, wait lang!
Ay, ang labo! Ang pangit naman ng my phone! Eto na nga lang!
Yung iPhone na lang, linaw.
The attitude that colonized people feel themselves to be inferior to their colonies based on the fact of colonization.
K-drama, yung doctors. Panood! Maganda yan. Ay, tapos na! Ano ba yan? Tapos na tayo. Ay, pinapanood na.
Saka naman yan, pare. Uy, haba
Ano yan?
ng patalastas. Uy, ito yung yung kagabi sa probinsyano.
Ano nangyari?
Oh, nahuli na nga si Cardo. Napanood mo ba yun?
Yung hindi alam na wala.
Napagbintangan siya eh. Oo, nawala si
Anong gusto mo? iPhone or my phone?
iPhone po. iPhone.
M&M's or Nips?
M&M's.
Justin Bieber or Daniel Padilla?
Justin Bieber. Daniel Padilla. Justin! Hindi Justin.
Enchanted Kingdom or Disneyland?
Disneyland.
Halo-halo or ice cream?
Halo-halo.
One Direction or Parokya ni Edgar?
Parokya ni Edgar.
iPhone versus my phone.
iPhone.
M&M's or Nips.
M&M's.
Justin Bieber or Daniel Padilla.
Justin Bieber! Justin Bieber!
Ito, Enchanted Kingdom or Disneyland.
Disneyland. Okay.
One Direction or Parokya?
One Direction. Parokya ni Edgar. One T.
Halo-halo or ice cream.
Both! Both!
Ito po, anong mas gusto niyo po? iPhone or my phone?
iPhone.
iPhone, okay. M&M's or Nips?
M&M's.
M&M's. Justin Bieber or Daniel Padilla?
Daniel Padilla.
Enchanted Kingdom or Disneyland?
Disneyland.
Disneyland. One Direction or Parokya ni Edgar?
Parokya ni Edgar.
Halo-halo or ice cream?
Halo-halo.
Thank you.
iPhone or my phone? M&M's or Nips?
Nips.
Uy, Justin Bieber or Daniel Padilla?
James Reid. Or Daniel Padilla.
Enchanted Kingdom or Disneyland?
Chatted Kingdom.
One Direction or Parokya ni Edgar?
Parokya ni Edgar.
Halo-halo or ice cream?
Halo ice cream. Halo-halo.
Sige, yun lang.
Promote natin yung sa atin, yung native products, anong made in the Philippines, yun ang priority natin kasi yun ang pride, yun ang resulta sa kagalingan ng Pinoy. So, secondary lang yung sa labas, mahal pa. Hindi pa kasi sa atin kasi malalaki, sizes.
Yun lang po.
Yung tulad ng pagbili ng gamit na galing sa ibang bansa o yung tinatawag natin na branded, tulad ko, gumagamit ako ng iPhone, which is brand siya na galing ibang bansa. Meron din, for example, yung tumatangkilik tayo ng mga Hollywood movies. So yun, pag napanood mo yung Hollywood movies, cool ka. So yun. Quality rin kasi kung titingnan natin, halos ginagaya lang natin yung produkto natin sa ibang bansa. Kung titingnan mo, mas parang
low class na yung gawa ng Pilipino. Parang hindi galing sa atin, hindi originated sa lugar natin. So parang kung ang tinitingnan kasi ng tao malimit yung brand, kung ano yung mas magandang brand, dun sila. Kaya siguro ganun yung resulta. Kaya mas tinatangkilik natin yung produkto ng ibang bansa kaysa
Based on our survey, most of the people we interviewed favors foreign products more than our own. In this case, it shows that colonial mentality is one of the main reasons, or rather social issues in our country. But there are still some who still favors our products. Therefore, not all Filipinos have colonial mentality.
The problem with colonial mentality is that we lose our originalities. Sometimes we even lose our culture because we prepare the culture of other countries. That is why we did this documentary to inspire and to bring back our Filipino spirits. Colonial mentality results to copying and possibly the downfall of Philippine economy, which is why it's important for Filipinos to view themselves as to who they really are, rather than as second-hand clones and merely followers of foreigners.